Hi, I'm Toby from YouTube. Some of you might have seen me from my first video. This is my second video. I'll show you this place. This is my hotel that I built from a few days ago. I built it in like 10 minutes. I'm going to show you a hole that I blew up and I found the mob's base in it. It's pretty sick. By the way, this is on creative, cheat son. All you do is get a whole lot of TNT, like technically a block of TNT. Technically what you do is you just blow it up in a hole. You need to find this place. Sometimes be difficult. I blew up some of it. I think I found it. Just found it. Remember, I did not build this. The mobs did. You can tell that they did because I found some mobs in this place. Building. So yeah, this place is pretty cool. It's almost impossible to find it. And so yeah, and this is awesome. This place, if you check the whole thing out, I almost killed all the mobs on this, like on the thing, so I can steal it as my base. I have not done that yet. On this video, we will go on Woodycraft and go on Blocks vs Zombies. This is what I look. Oh, sorry. This is my inventory place. Technically, I get everything I want from there. So yeah. Some of you viewers might know me. So yeah, we'll head down to Woodycraft. I think exploding creepers. That's what I like most. I love exploding stuff. Mostly creepers. Do this a bit fast motion. Woodycraft. It says Pizza Sleeve. It has basically all servers except for Hunger Games and other stuff. This is a really good server. I'd suggest that you try playing on it. Okay? Here we are. We'll go on this one. No, it's in-game, that sucks. Whoa, whoa, 63. I do actual proper one when it's like long. Someone got 65 and not spending it on anything. It's a bit stupid. See, yes, no game. Wait, that's 1 out of 4. Yes, 3 out of 4, no game. Okay, this is the game. Oh, I love this one. It's like way more better. You like have bows and you try to shoot the zombies. I'm not very good at this. My high score is 24. I'll show you how it works. Yay! Kill him. Oh. Yes, he's coming my side. Kill you. Uh-oh. Yeah, I killed one, so you get like things. Someone's quitted. Never give up. Seriously, guys, never give up. Try and beat these people. Zombies. Bang. They kill you. Kill him. He's got to win. Yay. I'm not very good. Some people are really good. These guys are awesome. They're like pros at stuff. Like when you're a pro, you practice a lot. So yeah, and on the games, tell me what you want me to do on my other videos. I'd love you to. So yeah. Kill that zombie. Someone else dealt with him. Annoying. Why do I... Oh, someone's got 17 and I've only got 1. Kill you. Kill you. Kill you. Die, zombies. Kill you. Kill him. Yay, the gates. The fences, they protect us. Yay, Jack quitted. No, he brought something. Look how good Bounder Arrow is, 24. He's awesome. Hey, and if you want to play with me on the stuff, write your home phone number and I'll give you a ring. Okay? Okay. Yes, I got 2. Killed another one. We only have 16 more minutes left for this game. But we're gonna lose soon. Is there any zombies in there? No. Who's Zachary? He sucks at the moment, but in real life he's actually awesome. I've seen him play Hunger Games before. He's really good. Hey dudes, subscribers, stuff like that, likers. If you can get onto this game, then you're pro. It's actually a bit more harder to get on this game than usual games. Little guy. Die, people, die. Hurry up. Kill you. I got 5, that's pretty good. Killed another one, 6. littles. We lost. And there's crazier that you shop from. I'll show you. Yeah, you can get stuff. Some stuff I've already been using, so I will not get that stuff. Bye guys. I will see you on my next video. Looks like. Bye.